Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we will guide you through the process of verifying your LinkedIn profile. If you're interested, stick around and follow along with the steps we are about to show you. Currently, I'm on LinkedIn's homepage, which features various sections like Home, My Network, Jobs, Messaging, Notifications, and Me. Click on Me, located at the top right corner. Here, you'll find options like View Profile, Account, Subscription Settings, Privacy, Help, and Language. Click on View Profile to proceed. On your profile page, you'll see all the details related to your LinkedIn profile. Under your name, you'll find Open to Add Profile section and more. Click on More and then select About This Profile. In the About This Profile section, you'll find various information, including verification. Click on Get Verified to initiate the process. Follow the prompts to verify your account. You'll be instructed to use your mobile device and the LinkedIn app to verify your identity. Scan the QR code provided and follow the steps on your phone. This process will ensure authenticity and boost trust in your profile. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.